Little break in the action here at EWG's CleanCon 2020, and I have some really good news from Sacramento. Governor Gavin Newsom has signed Assembly Bill 2762, the Toxic-Free Cosmetics Act. This bill will ban 12 of the sketchiest, most worrisome toxic chemicals in cosmetics. And I just wanted to stop and give everyone that good news, and also give a big shout out again to Governor Gavin Newsom, who has just signed this bill right as we are convening for EWG's CleanCon 2020.